Hello everyone, my name is Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we're here at KBIS. I'm in BORA's booth. I'm here with Joseph. Hello, sir.
Nice
How
to
are
meet
you?
I'm doing great.
And he's going to show us some of their wonderful products, cooktops, and even a new oven that they have. So let's get started and tell me a little bit about what we have going on here.
Okay, so here we have the newest product what we have now in the European market. So we call it BORA M Pure. So big feature about it because on the right side you have a big surface induction zone, and on the left side you have two round inductors. So that's the first thing what we brought out now on the market.
Okay. And induction is great. I think it's becoming very popular.
Absolutely.
So let's talk a little bit about what is the difference between traditional electric range and induction.
Well, on the electric side, you burn yourself if you put your hands on top. On the induction, that will not happen. And induction is a lot more powerful.
So basically induction just heats the pan that you're using, not the actual range.
Yes.
Gets hot. So that's great for people that have kids and
Absolutely.
all the things.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. And so what else did you want to show us? What was the next
So
feature?
the next step is, or the best features we have is, of course, simple cleaning. So you just can take out everything, put that in the dishwasher, everything's dishwasher safe. So also we have a odor filter integrated. So it's very easy just to change that also, to take it out. And it's just, in a matter of seconds.
Yeah.
And that's a really good thing. Also, of course, patents on that, and
That's good because the simple cleaning, easy cleaning is a great thing for people to hear.
Absolutely, because nobody likes to clean.
You're right. Nobody wants to have to take out a bunch of parts and you know, have it take an hour for them to put it back together. So that's great.
Yeah.
And then earlier you were showing me something.
Oh yeah, here. That's one of our also newest products. So this is the BORA Professional 3.0. We'll just walk over here. So it's now looking a little bit different. So the knobs in front are now also touch, and also to turn them. So for example, just to turn them on, to turn on the extractor will automatically open. And then you could have 7 different types of cooktops.
Oh wow.
So for example, you can have a tepan plate, teppanyaki grill, or a wok, surface induction, whatever you want to have, also gas.
Oh yeah. So it mix and matches it, so that way whatever people are cooking, they can use it to whatever they need.
Whatever they need, yeah. It's a really modular system, so you could also triple or 4 times whatever you need. Everything's possible.
So when you're entertaining,
yeah, absolutely.
lots of
Perfect for an island. It's perfect.
Okay, that's great. Yep. And this is new. So how long have you guys had this?
So this is now since 2020, roundabout. Some new technologies on it, yeah.
All right, great. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about BORA as a company.
Okay.
Where are you guys located? How long have you been around? So let's get a little bit more information from
that.
Yeah,
so the founder of the company actually founded the company in 2007. So it's quite still a startup thing. And we're based in Germany and Austria. So the German side, we're in Raubling, that's about south of Munich. And right on the border to Austria also, it's called Niederndorf. Okay. So that's the 2 headquarters we have there.
Great. So you guys have accomplished a lot in the short time that you've been in business.
Oh yeah,
it's
a big thing, yeah.
Great. Well, I'll see you guys in Milano.
Oh yeah,
be over there.
Of course.
Can't wait. Don't
Can't
go
wait
anywhere.
to see you guys.
Okay, thank you. Now you showed me an oven over there that looked very interesting.
Yeah, that's
and that was brand new. So I definitely want to take a look at that.
Yeah, that's a highlight here.
Okay.
So here is our oven. We call it the XBO for Expo. So really cool oven. It's the first convection oven for the domestic market now. So the technology inside is convection technology, and just to show it real quick, you can use it manually. So on the left and to the right, you can see now temperature changes here. You can also steam, so it's also combi steam oven, but you can also go into negative humidity. So for dehydration, air frying, all the features you can also do in here. We also have automatic programs. So if you want to do let's say meat, veal, cordon bleu, for example. Easy there, just press start and that's it. We also have links to the recipes, whatever you have to buy, all those features. Really, really nice, really cool. And the coolest feature I think about it is it cleans completely itself. So it's self-cleaning function.
Okay.
It's not the pyrolytic cleaning, what you know from other ovens. It's a completely water-based cleaning. So it cleans it completely itself, dries out afterwards. You don't have to do anything at all.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
Yet another great piece of easy cleaning for people. You
Yeah.
guys are really on top of that.
Yeah, and also you also have an odor filter integrated in here, in the cooktops. So you just flip up the display, and take that out. So again, very easy
Very nice.
to change it also, and you don't have any smells at all in the kitchen.
Great. That's
Yeah.
amazing. Well, if you're into really wanting easy clean and high-tech products for your kitchen,
Absolutely.
definitely look at BORA. Well, thank you so much, Joseph. It was a pleasure.
My pleasure to share.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.